Hello and welcome back to Arc 2 Part 1 of Cube Inc Overhaul. Here the sign said, okay, here's what's going down. I want you to go in that simulation and I want you to live in it. Now don't take what you see as reality because it's not real. It's, as said before, a simulation. We're still miles under the facility. Anyway, just live in there. I will get everything set up over time. Also, wait. Slight problem. Great, just great. Well, there might be a slight change of plans. Just go in and let's hope for the best. That sounds like something that we would say. Seriously, in Portal 2. And if you haven't ever played that game, I recommend playing it. It's a lot of fun. I already rested, and there's a button to get back here. Pklord13 is not joining us right now. Chapter 4, Arc 2. See? So, Arc 2, Part 1. We just completed Arc 1 earlier, so. Great. Well, I don't know what to do. Wait, it says here that an escape route just opened. Check it out. Let's hope it goes somewhere good. Wow. Simulation escape route. Please don't kill me. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be really quiet because my mom is sleeping. And I don't want to wake her up. And where did you go? Oh no, you didn't. Ah, shh. Nickerdoodle. Ouch. That was fun. You want something, I can't read the rest of that. Water. Miss Rosebud? What? Nothing. It's me. Security guard Joe. Security night measure number 1, red, orange, yellow. Oh, there's another box too. Also, security manager. In case of emergency, inquire workers of code rainbow code. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, middle, red. Nothing. Idiot proof. Certain colors can only be activated when the right security measurement has turned on. Getting used to the fact that I was opening the in here. And that sign's blank because it's a chair. Squares to the doors. Ouch. Simulation observation room. Mr. Power and employee. Legit non-employee. Also non-employee. Security measure 3, violet. Campfire. Mr. Campfire quarantine. Skills quarantine. It's there. Ooh, that's a lot of red one. Mr. Gates quarantined. Who's only quarantined people? Mr. Nevermore. No, this room was gone one level. Mr. Young, Miss Veronica. We used to there's like nothing in the chest, so let's go back upstairs. Check out the things over here which I found. And this mission people have to remove this security video footage of test subjects. Oh look, it's removed one aspect. Yeah. Frack. That's better. Let's visit the security server room. Let's pilot enter. Green, blue, indigo, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Initiate security code rainbow. Oh no! One, two, three. 2 minutes. Turn it on. Shut up. Escaping the log. I hate when it does this. Alright, let's try this again, folks. Oh, hi, Lemonade people. There we go.